Okay, everyone, I am so done with kids messing with fire alarms in public schools. I am so done with this behavior because this behavior is very dangerous and very illegal and is against school policy. This type of behavior will get you suspended, expelled, grounded by your parents, with your stuff taken away from you, and when you are adults at 18 years old and older, it will get you fined and arrested by the police because this is a very serious felony. The reason why it is a very serious felony is because it is a felony to put people's lives in danger somewhere else. This type of behavior will put the lives of yourself and other people in very real danger. And it is a very serious felony, and it will get you into very serious trouble. So do not do this, ever. Unfortunately, I have known some people that have tampered with alarms before in elementary school, and they got into very serious trouble for doing that. I am lucky that they are not in jail for after what they have done. But thankfully, they learned their lesson and never did it again. Goodbye.